Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to slide the center seats in a Honda Odyssey van. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into this extremely simplistic step-by-step set of instructions. Once again, how to slide the center seats in a Honda Odyssey van, just like the one I'm sitting in right now. A full tutorial with step-by-step instructions. Let's get into this. I'm going to keep this short and sweet. So I'm stepping out of the van, as you can see right here. I'm going to lower my voice just because I don't want all of my neighbors to have to hear all of my content. But what we have here are the center seats. Sorry about the glare of the sunlight, but I'm going to do my best. Now, essentially, the center seats can be slid. Can be slidden. That doesn't make sense. The center seats can be slid from side to side as long as you have the middle seat removed. So I have the middle seat removed, as you can see right here. And I have 4 young kids, so we have 4 car seats in the car. So the middle seat is always removed, basically, just because it's easier to slide these seats back and forth to, instead of me having to crawl through here to gain access to the back, you can slide this seat over. So basically, you can see right here, there's a grab handle on the outside. You could do the equivalent with the other seat over there, just so you know. But I'm only going to show you on this side. There's a lever here. What you're going to do is pull the lever up and then slide it, and then you can release the lever and it will lock in place. Make sure it's locked in place. There are many different positions that you can use, as you can see right here. And then right here, basically, they're like the closest together as they can be. So in this position, that seat is all the way the furthest that way, and this seat has joined it the furthest that way as well. And for me, what that allows me to do is it allows me to crawl through here, and then I can gain access to the back over there to strap in the older kids into their car seats. To secure their older kids into the car seats, because we have twins over here, and then we have 2 older kids that go back there. My wife and I, every time we leave the driveway, since we have all 4 kids with us, most of the time when we leave the driveway, basically, if my wife and I are both leaving together, we have all 4 kids with us, okay? If one of us is leaving, we might be taking 1 or 2 kids, but when it's both of us, we have all 4 kids, the neighbors say the party bus is leaving. That's literally what it's like. Now, these seats can also be slid instead of side to side, like I showed you right there. There's also another lever over here. You can see this allows them to slide forward and back. And usually these are a little bit further forward. I just left them further back because I'm doing videos with the van today, but they're usually a bit further forward. So what you do is you pull up on this, and then you can slide them forward or back. And once again, same thing. They have different locking positions. I'm just pulling that up as I do this. Okay, like that. Very simple. So yeah, that is essentially how you can slide the center seats in a Honda Odyssey van. Step-by-step tutorial with these instructions. It's honestly really, really easy to do, and it's honestly one of the coolest features of the van. To be honest with you, that's the main feature of why we got the van to begin with. Now we love it, and I love all the features, but the main reason that we got this van was because the center seats could be slid back and forth, which allowed us to, for a unique situation of having, right now the kids are 6, 4, and then twins that are 2 years old. But when they were younger, when the twins were first born, it was 4, 2, and then newborns, right? At 4 years old, we had a 4-year-old, a 2-year-old, and then twin newborns. So we really needed to gain access to that back there, so we could go back and deal with the older kids, securing them into the car seats. And then we also had those, bucket seats, the ones that click in place, the clicker seats, I call them. So we needed a lot more space here. So anyways, the sliding seats are an amazing feature, and they worked really well for us. They still do. I love that feature about this van. So I figured I'd show you how to slide them in this step-by-step full tutorial. I'm going to close this door over here. And that's basically it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.